If you're carrying around a laptop every day for work or school, the less cumbersome, the better. And as much as I love a big screen, sacrifices have to be made for portability. The HP Chromebook 13 hits that perfectly portable 13-inch sweet spot. It was as unintrusive as the 13-inch MacBook Air that I carried to work every day. Like my MacBook, it barely made a dent in my bag and wasn't a burden to bring along to after-work happy hours. Don't worry, I kept it in my bag the whole time, for last-minute errands. Anything smaller than a 13-inch laptop makes for a cramped keyboard, and the HP's compact keys took me some time to get used to. Though I quickly got comfortable with it, I still preferred the more spacious feel of typing with my 13-inch MacBook Air. The keyboard is also backlit, making it easy to see in dimly lit environments, but it can't flip over to use the laptop as a tablet, like the Acer Chromebook 11's keyboard can. If you're flirting with the idea of a laptop-tablet hybrid, that's something to consider. I already have a tablet, so I never had the need to use the laptop in that manner, making it a moot design point for me. Above the keyboard there is a speaker grill that stretches across its entire length. The B&O branded dual speakers are loud enough to watch a movie with a friend or two, but sound quality is tinny at high volume. The laptop is light enough to comfortably prop up on your lap in bed while rewatching Friends for the 89th time and doesn't get too hot even after long video viewing marathons. The screen also has great viewing angles, so no matter how it's tilted, the image is clearly visible.